Looking for a cabinet knob that blends durability with classic style? The Amerock BP53005ORB 1-1/4 inch diameter knob delivers just that. Finished in a rich oil-rubbed bronze, this knob adds a warm, old-world charm to any space, whether your style leans rustic, modern casual, or sophisticated elegance. What sets this knob apart is its intricate craftsmanship. Made from zinc, it's designed to last, maintaining its beauty and function for years. The oil-rubbed bronze finish features striking light and dark accents that give your cabinets a unique, textured look, something you don't find in ordinary hardware. Installation is straightforward and hassle-free. Each knob comes with mounting hardware, including 8 to 32 by 1 inch truss head machine screws. Plus, it includes 2 sets of screws to fit different cabinet thicknesses, so you get the perfect fit without extra trips to the hardware store. The Amerock Allison Value Collection, where this knob belongs, offers a variety of designs that keep quality affordable. Amerock is known for combining decorative appeal with practical function, making it easy to express your personal style without overspending. Their hardware lines cover everything from cabinet knobs to bath accessories and wall plates. Customers appreciate the thoughtfulness behind this product. One user highlighted how the included screws accommodate different depths, solving a common installation headache. This attention to detail shows Amerock's commitment to both form and function. If you want to upgrade your cabinets with hardware that lasts and looks great, the Amerock BP53005ORB knob is worth a look. It's a small change that makes a big difference in your home's overall feel. Ready to enhance your cabinets with a touch of timeless style? Try the Amerock oil-rubbed bronze knob when you're ready to combine quality, style, and ease of installation. It's a subtle upgrade that truly stands out.